Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are back live with our second pack opening of the Mosiac NFL Blaster Box. This second box has started off cold again, just like the first. The first one was fully cold, no numbered case hit pulls, no autographs, no nothing. But hopefully we'll heat up. These are the second two packs, and then we're only down to the final two. But let's see what we can get, because man, this has been bad. This one's looking bad too. Brock Bowers, Brock Purdy on the green and red, so I did pull Purdy. An Elevate Luther Burden rookie card, cool. Insert. Adonai Mitchell, Joe Theismann, and Clowney. Man, only one insert, and it's a rookie. But man, we are not looking good, man. Roddy White, Cam Ward. Oh, we did get Justin Fields on the green, so that's pretty cool. There's a colorful one. Touchdown Masters, Dan Fouts. I got another one of them. Rick Gannon. And Randy Grashar again. So man, no numbered cards, nothing out of them next two. Man, dude, this has been another cold box. Oh my God, man. But we're gonna keep ripping and trying. That's all we can do. But see you on the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.